All right, we're back here after hopefully what you've just had is a long weekend. I mean, I haven't just had a long weekend, neither have any of the students that I've just been teaching, but fingers crossed, wishful thinking that you've just had one. I'm going to go through, I'm going to be creating a nut here to go over the ends of the axle and also on the front of the propeller. Now, this is what it's going to look like. You've got a hexagonal shape here, and in mine, I have a little circle here. In the one you see, we're going to do ours a little bit differently, but let's continue. We're going to go back to the initial get-go. We're going to go new part. I'm going to let this load like a boss, and we're good to go. We're going to come through and start a new sketch of course. We're going to select the front. We're then going to choose the front plane, and we're going to come up, and we've used the circle tool a lot. Now, we haven't used the rectangle tool yet, but it will become our friend very soon. But in the meantime, select underneath the rectangle, there's an arrow, and you're going to come down, and I want you to select polygon. It's the very last option. It's already set up for a hexagon with 6 sides, and come to the center, click and drag. Now, in one of my previous videos, I had mine sitting like this, and a kid really struggled to get it like that. It doesn't matter if it's on an angle, if it's straight, it does like zero care. Just get it done. So select that, drag it out, click, and we need to dimension this. Now, like a fool, I didn't dimension it, but we can quickly save that. So we've used this dimension tool before. Coming up, select that, and it's saying that is a 5, and then we're going to come through and select. So as you can see with the dimension tool, it'll try and give you a side, or you can come across and select a second line, and it will tell you the dimension between the two, like so. Now we want the dimension of this to be 12. So select that and go 12. Now that is from there to there is 12, which then means from there to there is 12, and from there to there is 12. Where it needs to auto-generate, it will do so. If it doesn't require that, it will not. Come up and press Finish Sketch. Press E for extrude, or press the extrude button, and we're going to extrude this a whopping huge massive 3 millimeters, and press OK. We're not done yet. Of course, 1, it hasn't got color, and 2, it doesn't have the most important part to it. We're going to come up and press Sketch on the face of that, and we're going to utilize the circle tool here, and we're simply going to come through and add why not a 3 millimeter circle there. That is all we need to do that. Press Finish Sketch. And from there, we're going to move our way up, select material. I'm going to add a dark material today. So come up and I want you to type in wood. And then I want you to come through and we're just going to choose the walnut. Come through and select and go upload. And go and just click OK. Press the X up here. And you will have a walnut shape. A walnut colored little nut there. Isn't that nice? Don't forget to save it, file, save as, and we're going to save this as nut, N-U-T. Press save, and congratulations on yet again finishing another video. Hope you guys are enjoying it. If you do like it, feel free to like it. Leave a comment down below stating really anything that's appropriate, because I've got my notifications for the channel turned off, so you cannot and will not annoy me with them. Have a great day.